it's a very intimate experience, which is good for me because I was kind of scared going into this because A&T is such a big school that it wasn't going to be I wasn't going to get any one-on-one or hands-on or just like specialized learning and experiences, but I got a lot of those here, especially in the environmental studies program. It's one of the smaller programs in A&T, so it definitely, like, all the professors that you have will probably be mostly the same going throughout your 4 years, and then they'll get to know you and you'll build relationships with them, and they'll give you like specialized training, like mentorship, things like that. So I think it's really great in that aspect. And then also there is always a lot of emails going out for opportunities, and it's a lot of people trying to push you to be better and go outside of A&T and get experiences and internships and other research experiences and things like that. So I think that there's definitely a lot of resources, but like anything, you have to show interest and go out and get them. Going into this program, I kind of was looking for something more environmental policy lenient, but then when I found this program, I was like, you know what, I kind of do want to get more experience in the research and more of the science aspect, and I think that this was a really good balance with the program. So, but I still have that passion for policy, and I still want to do work that helps me be an advocate for communities like where I come from, for people like me, and for people who don't look like me. So I just really don't want to lose that spark, especially in light of everything happening in the world. So, yeah.